Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to just do a really quick little post about our one question a day project that we did during 2019 and what my plans are for 2020 with this. This is a project we really did over in the Facebook group. So if you don't belong to the Facebook group, please check out the description box below. The Facebook group is called This, That, and Chat, Journals, Mixed Media, and more. And I would love for you to join and play along. This journal, and I did my questions in another book so that I would have this one so that I can show it off. We ask these questions, one each day, and the idea behind it is to then answer that same question each year. And it's about answering the questions for yourself, but it was fun to answer the questions in the group and see the different answers. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed thinking about the questions for myself. I enjoyed everyone else's answers. These posts are going to stay up, and they are dated from January 1st through to the end of the year. So if you want to start out with the first one and go to the last one, just scroll down or check out the posts from 2019. Because I don't want to re-post all of these questions, and it's not something that you all might want to play along with, I wanted to have a new project for 2020. So this is the 52 lists project. It says it's a year of weekly journaling inspiration. It's by Maura Seal, and it's something actually that I believe she started online, and it took off so much that she did a book about it. There are 52 lists. One of the lists is your top 20 mood boosting songs. All of your favorite things about fall. List the things that make you feel healthy, mind, body, and soul. So what I plan to do is to do what I did last year and to ask these questions in group. There will only be one per week, of course, because there's 52, and instead of being one every day, there'll be one every week. I will try to post it on Mondays. I hope. That's the plan. You don't know how we plan things, and we don't always get that we want. So that's, and like I said, if you don't belong to the group already, please think about joining the group. There's also an action for each of the lists. This is List Your Dream Trips, and one of the take actions is, what are the sort of things you like to do on vacation? Can you integrate similar activities into your average week? I will post those questions as well, simply because I think that it's a fun way to get to know all of you. It's a fun thing to get to know yourself better. So that is the plan for the group, one of the group projects for this coming year of 2020, and I hope you will join along and have fun with it. That's the whole point, is to have fun with it. I'm going to read you a question a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book, and then I better go on and find the next thing I need to do. There's a reason why when we know something inside out and back to front, we describe it as knowing by heart. And that is very true. Okay, guys, go have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.